go out to all of you from my crew who've been waiting so long. This track caps off that official naughty bomb shit. The Ill-Town party rhyme sayer, depleting MCs like the ozone layer. May acquire my desires in like vintage wine. We shall sell no rhyme before it's time. The 1989 MC, microphone controller, master of ceremony. So remember why you hating. I'm naughty by nature, you're severed by association. Which meaning that you fake ass niggas who connected to them snake ass niggas. Don't come up in my face ass niggas. You tryna keep on rhyming like you didn't know. Naughty by nature came to save you from them bullshit shows.
We came here to party, get together, everybody, let's celebrate. Going on, it's a holiday going on. We came here to party, throw your hands up, everybody, let's celebrate. Going on, it's a holiday going on.
The best nigga surveillance watching everything that we touch. But yeah, I see the D's like in the PSE and D-Truck. They watching us, slam knocking us, through binoculars, my nigga, I can us the bottom lock to the top of us. They check the topic, ain't no profit. But give me your picture and a compass, and I'll do a Nostradamus. Find that ass on a quick spot. Catch it slipping like ice and silk socks. The cover your album be the back of milk box. See, I'm an if I hit a shitter like an old timer. Mama, I dig a vagina like a gold miner. I'm a rebel around my time trauma. Minus your mama equal a lot less drama. Let me talk to you, mommy. Maybe you could come to Dirty Jersey, New Jeru with your crew. You bring the ass, I bring the brew, and hit some thug cash in the room. Sent things from instant hashing. It goes hot, talking about crashing.
We came here to party, join together, everybody, let's celebrate. Going on, it's a holiday going on. We came here to party, throw your hands up, everybody, let's celebrate. Going on, it's a holiday going on.
So yo, the moral of the story in this game called rap. Either we all gon' clap or somebody gon' get clapped. And I'm not down with that. Sure as my name's been rocked. In 99 I will officially reopen up the block and dedicate my life to preservation of hip hop. I'm tired of seeing the people of my culture getting shot. And now I must step up because I know that's all we got. I must do it, pursue it before all the maggots make it rock. Hip hop, it ain't gon' die, it's gon' diversify. And as long as I'm alive, I'm gon' promote the I. And no matter how many people try to use or diffuse it, it ain't nothing like hip hop music.